Om Shanti. Hello and welcome to Journey of Spiritual Awareness. Myself, Dr. Bhaskar. Today we'll go to explore wonderful, powerful, energizing of Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika, often referred to as a bellows breath. It's a dynamic yogic breathing exercise. It's not a pranayama, actually it's a cleansing process. Many people are referring as a pranayama actually. Pranayama is totally different. The cleansing process are totally different. Everybody wants liberation in the life, mukti and jivan mukti. So why we are doing all the practice, asanas, pranayama, meditation, to liberate from all the suffering. So really it is happening, but it is not happening. Many people are practicing since so many years, but changes are not happening. So what is the reason? We are missing something. So what is that? The knowledge. The knowledge is very important. To go to the liberation and liberation in the life, we need to have a knowledge. Not only the practice, as well as knowledge also. So what does it mean, the liberation? Many people thinking like that, once they leave the body, they will be liberated from all the problems. But it's never happened. Being in the body, so we have to liberate from all the suffering, stress, anxiety, all the problems. That is called liberation. Liberation is not like that you leave the body and go to the heaven. But it's never going to happen. The purpose of doing Bhastrika is to lose the body identification. Then only the experience will take place. Otherwise, never going to happen. Until unless you will not lose the body conscious. What are those body conscious? Anger, greed, jealous, attachment, lust. These all called as a body conscious. Many people are not following Yama and Niyama. They will jump into the last asana and pranayama. So those who are jumping into the direct asanas and pranayama, experience never going to happen. First is Yama and Niyama is very important. So lose the body conscious to become the soul conscious and God conscious. Then the experience will take places. You will experience our original nature of the peace, happiness and joy. Don't limit your practice only for the physical aspect. Go beyond that. Experience the spiritual dimension. I'll give the example of Paramahamsa Yogananda. He was one of the great yogi in India. So he used to do astro travel. Astro travel in the sense to come out of the physical awareness, to get into the spiritual dimension. When you do Bhastrika, what happened? You can able to do astro travel when you follow the Yama and Niyama. Now we'll start the Bhastrika. I will show the demo how to do Bhastrika Pranayama. And setting up the place is very important. Find out nice place which is cool and calm, so that you will not going to disturb from the people. So I would like to recommend Bhastrika has to be done in open space, not inside the room. So if you do inside the room, you may not experience more. So better to choose open space, you will get more experience. You can choose any meditative posture, Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Padmasana. These all the practice are very good for pranayama technique. So first we have to sit silently, and back, neck should be in a straight line, shoulder should be relaxed, face should be relaxed completely, and smile on the face. First we have to observe for few rounds of deep breathing. First mentally prepare yourself that I will going to do Bhastrika Pranayama, so that this Bhastrika Pranayama will energize my physical body as well as mind. So we will start the Bhastrika. First, out of Chin Mudra from the right hand, and close all the fingers and place it on the abdominal region or navel region. First, we should take deep breath 2 times. Again, exhale, breathe in, exhale. Bhastrika, forceful inhale and forceful exhale. Inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Per minute only 30 strokes, not more than that. We will start the Bhastrika. After the Bhastrika, we should relax at least 1 or 2 minutes. Your breath is going to stop and mind will be absolutely in the silence. The body will be in the stillness. This is the wonderful experience. You should not take inhalation or exhalation, just to relax. Benefits of Bhastrika Pranayama. There are lots of benefits are there. When you do Bhastrika, oxygen will supply, blood will get into the purification. So oxygenated blood will to supply to each and every organs. It is good for digestive disorders, constipation, to reduce the abdominal fat, and it's good for the heart and memory power, concentration. Next, contraindication. Those having hypertension, heart problem, epilepsy and severe backache, those people should avoid this practice. Bhastrika should not practice more than 5 minutes. It should be only 3 to 5 minutes, since it is a dynamic yogic breathing technique, not to get into the more practice. So what happens if you do it more 10-15 minutes, your thoughts will increase. So our aim is to reduce the thoughts, not increase the thoughts. So when you reduce the thoughts, what happened? Experience will take places. So better to practice only 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that. Bhastrika has to be done in the early morning, not in the evening. So if you do it in the evening, you may not get sleep. So I would like to recommend practice early morning so that you will get more benefit. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more future content. Thank you all. Om Shanti.